Yes, problem number second. Same question. Critical point, local maxima, local minima, everything. Second example is y equal to 2x minus 1 whole square plus 3. Two x minus 1 whole square plus 3. dy by dx equal to 2 into 2x minus 1 chain rule into 2 plus 0 or 4 into 2x minus 1. dy by dx is 0 to find the critical point. Implies 4 into 2x minus 1 0. 2x minus 1 itself is 0. 2x equal to 1 or x is half. Only one critical point we have. Therefore, only one critical point is x equal to 1 by 2. Now, what about the nature of this? Whether it is local maxima, local minima. Find the second order derivative. d square y by dx square is dy by dx, this one, its second derivative is 4 into 2, 8 greater than 0. Correct, no? Positive, there is no value x, we cannot substitute x equal to, it is already greater than 0. Therefore, x equal to half is local minima. Since it is only one point in the entire equation, it is absolute minimum also. But anyway, the question is to find local maxima, local minimum. So this is local minima. Put x equal to half in the given equation to find local minimum. In equation 1, y equal to 2 into half minus 1 whole square plus 3, or it is 1 minus 1 whole square plus 3, 3. Therefore, local minimum is 3 over. Right? Work out as many problems as possible to get the idea of this local maxima, local minima, everything. Problem number next means y equal to 9x square plus 12x plus 2. dy by dx 18x plus 12. To find critical point, dy by dx is 0, implies 18x plus 12 is 0. 18x is minus 12. X equal to minus 12 by 18 minus 3 6 are 6, 2 times 6, 3 times. Here also only one critical point. Therefore, only one critical point is x equal to minus 2 by 3. Careful. Second order derivative. d square y by dx square is 18. No doubt, clearly it is greater than 0. Therefore, there is no necessary to put x equal because there is no x at all. Therefore, x equal to minus 2 by 3 is local minima. Local minima. Put x equal to minus 2 by 3 in the given equation. Give the equation number 1 there. Y equal to 9 into minus 2 by 3 whole square, 12 into minus 2 by 3 plus 2. Or it is 9 into 4 by 9 minus 3 1 3 4 minus 8 plus 2. 9 cancels. 4 minus 8 minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. Let me write the answer here itself. Therefore, local minimum is minus 2 over. All the three problems are actually of the same type. See here one more. It is a little different. Problem number 4. But the question same. Critical point, local maxima, local minimum, everything you have to find. Fourth one is g of x equal to 1 by x square plus 2. Whatever it may be, y or f of x or g of x, total it is a function. G dash of x equal to derivative. Derivative is minus 1 by chain rule by inspection method. What is the derivative 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square into whatever function in the denominator, its derivative. Okay. Or it is minus 2x by x square plus 2 whole square. Now, to find the critical point, g dash of x must be 0. That means this quantity is 0. This is possible only when numerator is 0 or x itself is 0. Only one critical point is x equal to 0. d square y by dx square, g double dash of x. Careful, find the derivative of the function. Let me use the quotient formula. Denominator square, already it is square, to the power 4. Derivative of the numerator into denominator, careful, minus numerator as it is, derivative of the denominator, yes, derivative of the denominator means chain rule. Simplification actually not necessary, because you need whether the value is plus or minus. Straight away you can put x equal to 0. Even then let me simplify a little. 2 into x square plus 2 whole to the power 2, minus of minus becomes plus, 2x into 2x becomes 4x square, into 2 is there, 2 into 2 into 2, 8, x square into x square plus 2 by x square plus 2 whole to the power 4. Put x equal to 0. G double dash of x is minus 2, 2 square 4, 8 into 0 by 2 to the power 4, minus 8 by 16 minus 1 by 2 less than 0. Less than 0. Therefore, x equal to 0 is local less than 0. Maxima. Finally, find the maximum value. Put x equal to 0 in 1 or g of x. G of x equal to 1 by x square 1 by 2. Therefore, local maximum is 1 by 2 over homework y equal to x plus 1 by x. Try at home. Critical points, local maxima, local minima, local maximum, local minima values. Over, no? Next, problem number 2. Find maximum and minimum values of the following functions. Just find maximum and minimum values of the following function. First one is f of x equal to mod x plus 2 minus 1. What is the maximum value attained by this function? What is the least value attained by this function? That is what is needed. Let me draw the graph and tell what about that one. That is better. When x equal to 0, what you get? 0 plus 2. 2 modulus is 2 itself. 2 minus 1, 1. So it is here. When x equal to 0, it is 1. When x equal to 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Somewhere here. X equal to minus 1, what you get? Minus 1 plus 2, 1. Modulus is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. What about minus 2? Minus 2 plus 2, 0. 0 modulus 0. 0 minus 1, minus 1. Somewhere here. One more point let me take. 3. Minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2. Minus 1 modulus is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Graph of the function, just imagine it is like this. 1. See, graph of the function is ready. So, straight away let us write the minimum value of the function is this one. It is minus 1 at x equal to minus 2. See, at x equal to minus 2 it gets minimum value minus 1. After that it is increasing. Maximum, there is no maximum, it ranges to infinity. Function is infinity, maximum. Correct, no? It goes to infinity, here also it goes to infinity. So maximum value tends to infinity. So there is no maximum for the function at all. You can observe that the function goes to infinity on both the side. Left hand side also it goes to infinity, right hand side also it goes to infinity. So only the minimum value we can write, it is at x equal to minus 2 it is minus 1. And one more, let us take one. Second one is f of x equal to mod sin x. Enough. Find the maximum value of the function, minimum value of the function. Zero, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, so on. Sin 0, 0. Sin pi by 2, 1. Sin 180, 0. Again, after pi to 3 pi by 2, actually it is decreasing. But we are taking only the modulus. So next part, just to see, it is also like this. It will be like this. Only modulus you are considering. Therefore, maximum value of the function is function, which function? F of x equal to mod sin x is 1. Maximum value is 1. Minimum value is 0 over minimum value of the function is 0. Maximum value 1, minimum value 0. Over. Next, problem second over. Third one. Find absolute maximum value. See, question. We are coming to absolute. Find absolute maximum value of the following function. Absolute maximum value of the following functions. Maximum value, absolute maximum value of the following functions. Maximum value of the following functions. Also, it is there, I have not written. Absolute minimum value. Both the questions are there. Find absolute maximum value of the following function, also absolute minimum values. Yes, first one. F of x equal to x cube. X belongs to minus 2, 2. Careful. Here it is not local maxima, local minima. However, you have to find the local maxima or the critical point you must find here also. Let me see that one. F dash of x equal to 3x square. F dash of x is 0. 3x square is 0. X itself is 0. Therefore, critical point is x equal to 0. Now, what is the thing? Minima or maxima? F double dash of x equal to f double dash of x equal to f dash of x 3x square, f double dash of x is 6x. At x equal to 0, f double dash of x is also 0. Therefore, x equal to 0 is neither a maxima, local maxima, neither a local maxima nor a local minima. Now, find the values of the function at the critical point, means x equal to 0. Whatever may be, it is actually not a maximum nor a minimum, but however it is a critical point, you have to find the values. So, find f of minus 2 first. End point also you have to see, we have written in the definition, including end points of the interval. F of minus 2 is minus 2 whole cube minus 8. F of, next comes 0, critical point, 0 cube, 0. F of 2, 2 cube. Now tell me which is the largest one. It is 8. Therefore, absolute maximum is 8 at, let me give the point also, x equal to 2. In the interval, see the value in the end point of the interval, also at the critical points. Right? Absolute maximum. Problem number next. Another one. Problem number second, under the same question. Second one is f of x equal to sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x. Find the absolute maximum, absolute minimum in this one. Interval given is, let me write that, x belongs to 0 pi. Okay. 0 pi. In this interval, find the absolute maximum. First of all, let me obtain the critical points. F dash of x equal to cos x minus sin x. F dash of x equal to 0 implies cos x minus sin x is 0. That is, give me the value of x for which cos and sin are equal. Solution is pi by 4. No? cos pi by 4 and sin pi by 4 are equal. One answer is x equal to pi by 4. Another one is in the third quadrant, 225 degree. Yes, 5 pi by 4. Now, x equal to pi by 4, x equal to 5 pi by 4 are the critical points. But remember, you have to see in the interval 0 to pi only. Even though there are two critical points, you have to verify whether the function is a maximum in this interval only. So you need not bother about this point. Anyway, next one is what about this one? Critical point is over. What about the value? Let us find one by one. F, either it is a maximum or minimum. You have to see the value of that one. No? We are finding maximum value or minimum value. Let me calculate. F of first 0. F of 0 is sin 0 plus cos 0. 0, 1. Next comes pi by 4. F of pi by 4, because it is there in the interval. 5 pi by 4 is not there. Sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. 2 by root 2, or it is, I can write it as only root 2, enough. Yes? And last end point, pi. F of pi equal to sin pi plus cos pi. Sin pi 0, cos pi minus 1, minus 1. Enough. Now you can write your conclusion. The absolute maximum in the interval, maximum in 0 pi is, which is the maximum, 1 root 2 minus 1 root 2 at x equal to, at the critical point, see, pi by 4. Absolute minimum in 0 pi is minus 1, smallest minus 1, where at x equal to pi. So the absolute maximum of the function is root 2, absolute minimum of the function is minus 1. We discuss some more problems from the exercise in the next video. Okay, thank you.